What's up YouTube? So yeah, we're here at another video. So today we're going to be showcasing this 2024 Ford Raptor R. I'm gonna go ahead and auto start it so you can hear what it sounds like. It's got a nice little rumble. What you look like on the inside. It's got 8,000 miles on it. You go up under the hood.
Looks the exact same.
Got that Predator engine. Actually got a GT500 in a pickup truck. Think about that, D.
I approve. I want these goddamn aluminum valve covers. Make the whole crazy.
Oh! This is crazy, man.
It's working, so we have to put something.
Hey D, I ain't gonna lie, man.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was gonna like another F-150.
But yeah, right. This is
Shoot.
nice.
I took some pictures of them next to each other too.
Yeah. I'm gonna drive with like y'all.
My dad just, I know y'all are, you just got this.
That's nice and shit though.
I know you guys are all.
Oh, that's clean.
V8s,
That's
but,
clean. I like
That
that.
Hummer nice.
I like it. It surprises me that they make 1,000 and they
Yeah.
move the way they move.
Yeah, yeah. It's, I mean, I just, like I said, I've been getting the engine hot, so it's good to go now. Because I wanted to spin it for a little bit. It's weird, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell, like, so far, like, which one is faster. I mean, obviously this, I think, will be, because it's lighter. And it does have a little bit more horsepower.
They do have, this has an aluminum body, doesn't it?
Say that again?
It has an aluminum body, doesn't it?
I'm not sure. I don't really know. That's, I don't know.
Hey D, do they still have the aluminum bodies on the F-150s? These seats are crazy.
Dang, is it? Oh, I thought it is cool.
Let's see what that back seat looks like.
That's nice. With the panoramic all the way across the top. Yeah.
Oh, you are? I know Noah is too.
Dang, they got so many different modes.
The TRX though does have like this here. It's an actual like screen. So like it's like a camera back there. Unlike this, this is just a regular mirror. But this does have Apple CarPlay, which
The TRX did? Oh no, that's right.
because my dad's got the he got like the first edition, like the 21.
So the first year of it.
Yeah.
This is how like the workbench.
Yeah.
Dang,
It's
dude.
like that.
Alright, let's see.
I've been seeing them on videos everywhere, but this first one seen in person. This is something. You gonna buy one, D?
Yep. Might as well, right?
Which one you guys like better so far?
I like this one because it has more to offer.
Yeah.
It's different, dude. You just,
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I would.
too many people have the TRX.
Yes, TRXs are a norm now. I see them every day. There's a guy that works down the street and he has one.
I've seen a couple students have them too. That's true.
But it's like, if you see a Raptor R, I mean, I see Raptors all the time, but I never see the R's.
I haven't seen an R in Tuscaloosa yet. I've seen a lot of TRXs, seen a lot of Raptors, but I haven't seen the R yet. So these are kind of cool too up here. Like this is for the fog lights. It has the auxiliary like that, kind of like an airplane. I think that's kind of cool.
Are they all functional?
Only the first one. I got to set up the other ones. The first one's for the fog lights in the front.
Gotcha. They got heads up display too.
You try to drive real quick?
Yeah. Oh. Huh? What was that? What was that, dude?
It was a pop. It was a gunfire, buddy.
It sounded weird.
Oh my god. It got so much muffler and shit on it. It's choked up.
You getting Indy?
Oh, we finna go for a ride?
Yeah.
You rode this shit? Oh, it just came today. Dang. Oh man.
Might make me go buy one. Shoot, there's a wheel, there's a way.
You gotta sell a fucking keyboard.
Nah.
We gotta do something.
There's a wheel, there's a way. I in it.
Auto.
Huh?
It's a four-wheel drive.
Yeah, you could put it in sport if you want to. You see that little knob where that little twist knob right there. Spin it to your left, and you see the front screen, and it'll tell you when it'll be in sport mode.
Put it.
Oh,
put
there it
up to
is.
2,000.
Sport.
Yeah, whenever you change, put it new.
Interesting. It's like you gotta give it throttle to go. It doesn't just
it has
ease
an
off.
auto brake. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to turn that off. Like it's when you take your foot off the gas, like it'll just automatically stop. It won't roll.
So it does have the DCT in it?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, if it got DCT in it, it ain't never gonna stop, man. It shouldn't anyway.
If anything, it'll roll back.
It's got big paddle shifters on it too.
Yeah, they're huge. I can most definitely tell it's wider. Like driving a normal F-150.
See what let you up shit. Yeah, that's speed. Like,
It's a 7-speed.
yeah.
Man, that thing smooth. Especially on these tires, which is surprising.
Yeah, 37s on it.
Yeah. Well, the BF Goodriches.
Man, you usually loud as crap.
I usually have, well, I had problems out of mine, but I had 35s.
What'd you have?
I had these same tires on my truck at one point. I had 35s on them. This steering wheel huge.
The steering is a lot better on this than the TRX too. It's a lot smoother. Like the turn radius is better and everything.
I think you'll probably end up liking this better once you get to driving
I
it.
think so.
Oh, it is 10, I guarantee.
Oh, snap. So why wouldn't it let me upshift then?
So,
So we got 10 or 8.
and I believe so. That's what I'm It probably, you probably had a too low of a speed.
Ah, that makes sense. RPM too low. That's your buddy right there, Andy. Officer Lone.
That's what it is.
It look like. I think he's the only one with a faded hood.
Yeah, going to. they made a forward drive. You know, I'm an army. Need that would take for a forward drive, dual foot.
Shoot.
Yeah, they definitely. It's got the same truck that.
I like it. Which is surprising. I used to love F-150s. Man, I switched to Chevy.
It's just nice. I always wanted.
Yeah, that is one thing about it. They're so advanced now.
It's got all sorts of technology in
Like I remember the old Raptors, like the which one was it? 2013?
it. Yeah, the V6 in it, I'm pretty sure, the first generation.
It did.
Yeah, this body style.
Yeah.
The last generation with the V8 in it, they feel like real loose and heavy. Yeah. They don't feel as controlled as this one.
Yeah.
It feel like it doesn't even have a cutoff. The way it's pulling.
It's a 10-speed.
It is a 10-speed.
You'll have to I had to have you test it one day, see if it has a cutout. Cause I know the
It's got a launch control on there somewhere. I really haven't played around with it all too much. When I was home for break, I drove it a little bit, but I was just driving it like to go get something to eat, not like really driving it.
it'd be cool. It'd be nice to have both of them. Cause like they're main competitors.
I know.
I think.
I know. Cause so like my dad bought the TRX back in summer of 21. But the warranty was on it, and then he got, a vehicle got stolen over the summer, which is the reason why I had it. And then he bought this in November, and then he saw like a really good leasing option on that Hummer I showed y'all.
Yeah.
So he had me lease that in my name, but like I didn't really want to have electric car in Tuscaloosa just because like I didn't want to set up a whole like charger and all that.
Makes
in the
sense.
house. And then he just bought my mom a gray Hummer SUV. He didn't lease it when he bought her that one, just the SUV one.
I think this one is better to have than the Hummer. The Hummer is huge.
Yeah, it's I don't know, like I think it looks cool. I just would prefer something with the V8 supercharger, which I had one.
But you're right about that.
But my dad said he liked driving this one better than the TRX, and he drove this for what, 4 months and had the TRX for 3 years, and he said he always enjoyed this more.
I'll tell you something.
Only if Chevy had one.
Bro, what? We put a ZL, put a LT1, but y'all got a, what's it called?
Oh, what? The Escalade line?
Yeah.
The V?
Well, yeah, I mean.
But I mean, we don't
they
have
got the
a.
truck on too. Yeah, you should have did. They should have did the truck.
Yes, bro. We should have had the
LT4 and I don't know.
in the Silverado.
Go back somewhere doing something. Yeah, it's something good, nice. I can get you with it.
Think so?
Yeah. You always gotta check out the key.
Yeah, that Raptor key.
Dang, they should have painted the R.
I
red.
know, the key's boring compared to the TRX key.
Yeah, they should have painted the R red. Like
And then this is cool here, like on the side, it says V8 there.
Oh yeah, I saw
you
that.
see?
Yep. Like when you open the door, you can see it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Let me get out of here. I feel dirty.
I like it. I'm not gonna lie to you.
So what you guys think?
I like it. I want to thank you for the experience.
Of course, bro.
I'm gonna let you get these back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go buy me one, figure out how. And he gonna get you one. If you get a Raptor R, get one out the auction. Bill, there you go.
Oh Oh yeah, Bill was just talking about spending $100,000 on.
Yeah.
Bill wants something decent.
The auction is the best place to go.
So like this one won the TRX, you think?
I think